In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of 7 upper key in array input method. And 7 upper we have 7-1 and 7-4. And 7 according to the fundamental key in array input method. 7 is lead and 1 horizontal, 4 cross. So let's take a look at the first one. The first one with 7-1, you can see here the moon. Left hand side here, at the bottom here, and right hand side, they are all 7-1 because it begins with 7 lit and 2 strokes horizontal. So this is 7-1. Okay, so if you would like to type this character, you press 7 upper, 7-1, 7 upper first, and 7 upper is the letter U on your keyboard. Okay, and next, here we have a lid right here. Okay, so this is 7 and fundamental key is in the middle, 7 middle. And last one, this is 5-8, 5 as in right turn, 8 right falling. And 5-8 is at 5 lower and space. Alright, next one, we have this double cross. So this is 4 and end with 1. So the upper part is 4-1, 4 upper. And the bottom 7 upper, 7-1 and space. Continue left hand side, we have square, 0 and 1 in the middle, so 0, 1, 0 upper. And right hand side, 7, 1, 7 upper and space. First one. Okay, the next two, these are exceptions. Actually, these are meat according to the Chinese character. This radical is meat, but in this case, because sometimes people just don't write in this case, and so in array input method, they put this together with this moon. Okay, so this is exception. Okay, so still you press 7-1, 7 upper. Okay, and continue. This is 2 as left turn. We have 2-2-2, so this is 2-2, this radical 2-2, 2 upper. And continue, this is a 9 left falling, so 9 middle. Okay, we've done 3, we go to the last one. The cross here is a 9-8, because cross is left falling and right falling. 9-8 is at 9 lower and space. Okay, next one, still meet on the left hand side, so 7 upper. And continue, we have 8 and 8, so we press 8 middle, fundamental key twice. And continue, we've done 3, we go to the last one here. This is a 7 lit, just like this one, first one here. Okay, so 7 lit, 7 middle, and space. Continue, the next one. Let's take a look at the upper first. Okay, the upper begins with this frame. Okay, so this frame square with if there's something in the frame, in the square, we use this as a 0-4, 0 upper. And then we go to the center, which is a cross, so we press 4 middle. And continue, this is another 7-1 radical. You can see 7 lit, 1-1. Okay, 7-1 is at 7 upper and space. First one. Okay, the next 7-1 radical is right here at the bottom. You can see 7 begins with 7 lit, and we have 2 vertical, and last stroke is 1, so this is 7-1. And the next one here, 7-1. Okay, so for this one begins with 5 right turn, so 5 middle. And continue, we have a cross in the middle, so 4 middle. And last one, this is 7-1, 7 upper and space. Alright, next one, first row right here is a 9 left falling, so 9 middle. Continue this radical 7-1, 7 upper and space. Okay, the next radical is right here upper part, you can see begin with 7 1 7, and we have 1 1 1. So 7 lit and 1 1 1. This is a radical 7 1. So if you would like to type this one, you hit and you press 7 upper. Okay, and the next stroke is right here, 1. So we press 1 middle, fundamental key. And last is 8. So we press 8 middle and space. Continue left hand side, just like this one. So 7 1 7 upper. And continue 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And continue the lower part is 3 8, begins with 3 vertical and 8 on both sides, so 3 8 is at 3 lower. Okay, and we've done 3, we go to the last one, which is 2 8. This one right here, so we skip this 9, so we go to the last one. This begins with 2 left turn and end with 8. 2 8 is at 2 lower, space. Okay, so either these 3 strokes here in the middle or this one 2 strokes in the middle, they are all 7 1. So you can see 7 lit 1 1, and like this one 7 lit 1 1. These are also 7 1. Okay, so for this character, it begins with dot 6 and 7 lit. Okay, so 6 7 is at 6 lower. And continue, we have this one 7 1, 7 upper. And the last stroke, 1 horizontal line, so 1 middle and space. Okay, the first one. Continue. Let's see the left hand side. We have 7 1 here, 7 upper. And this stroke is 1 horizontal, 1 middle, just like here. Okay, and right hand side, this is a 5 right turn and a 9 left falling. So 5 9 is at 5 lower and space. Okay, continue. Let's take a look at 7 4. Okay, so 7 is lid, 4 is cross. So the 7 4 radical is right here, upper part. Without these 4 dots, you can see it begins with 7 lid and then a square 0 and end with cross in the middle. So the upper part right here is 7 4. Okay, so you see this radical does not go together with these 4 dots. And it can be also used in here like this one. Okay, so for this one, fish. So 7 4 is at 7 upper. We press 7 upper, and 4 dots is at A8. A8 is at A lower and space. Next one, the same, 7 upper and 8 lower. On the bottom, the radical here is 0 1, 0 upper and space. Okay, the next one begins with 9 left falling and continue. This is a person, so the radical on the left hand side, this is a 9A. 9A is at 9 lower. And continue middle upper, this is 7 4, 7 upper. And bottom middle, this is 1 8, 1 horizontal. Person 8, 1A is at 1 lower. Okay, we've done 3 radicals. We go to the last one, which is this stroke. 3 vertical, so fundamental key, 3 middle, and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals. 7 upper key, letter U in a keyboard, 7 1, 7 4. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.